Hey guys, so we just landed in Dubai International Airport. We are on our way from Toronto to India. We have a long layover. This qualifies us for a program by Emirates called Dubai Connect. We will take you through the perks and how to do it, all the information related to Dubai Connect. And to add to the whole experience, we also have a
desert safari.
Evening desert safari. So our layover is long enough to give us that experience as well. That will be a separate video. We'll take you through the entire experience.
We are taking off. I love Emirates.
Dubai Connect. It gives you access to free hotel, free food, free transportation, as well as free visa. So let's go and explore the possibilities of Dubai Connect. So for the baggage claim and the Dubai Connect desk, you have to take the train. That will be the first thing that you will do. I have been given this hotel voucher right at the boarding place. So I boarded at Toronto. They will give you this hotel voucher itself if you are qualified for the Dubai Connect. So when you book the flight at the managed bookings at Emirates, you'll be able to see whether you're qualified. So they will mark you as booked. You have to go through a certain few steps. And at the airport, they will be giving you this voucher. Dubai Connect, they just said that, so I just have to now clear the immigration from there. And you have to go through exit 3. That's all. It's very straightforward. So in the economy, you'll get a shuttle bus to go to your hotel, but with the first class or the business class, I think you are given a chauffeur-driven service. So let's go clear the immigration.
We cleared the immigration and we got a 10 GB SIM card.
Yeah, we're waiting for a shuttle, so you have to take the exit 3 after you clear the immigration, and then there is an Emirates hotel desk at the end of exit 3. So they'll ask you to wait for the shuttle bus. It takes generally 5 minutes to go to Copthorne Hotel. That's the one they generally choose for the economy class. And then 10-15 minutes, that's the shuttle frequency. So they said that the bus is ready, let's go. And then it's pretty organized. We were asked to keep the carry-on, the bigger bag, at the trunk. And this is a big bus, right?
Yes.
So we'll go to Copthorne Hotel and we'll show you how the experience is.
Guys, let me welcome you to Copthorne Hotel.
Wow, so that's our hotel in Dubai, Copthorne Hotel.
See, the room is very beautiful.
Pretty neat.
Yes.
Yeah? Dubai Connect via Emirates. They provide hotel stay for the economy class at Copthorne Hotel in Deira area. So it's just 5 minutes, 6 minutes ride from the airport. The best part is they will pick you up, they will drop you off. Otherwise, it's very organized. They even take care of the visa. Really, the checkout time is 3 hours before your subsequent flight time. So ours is like 2 a.m. So we are checking out around 11 p.m. So that's what they informed us. The lunch, breakfast, dinner, it depends on when you check in. You get the different time slots for having your meals. Fish. Mutton vindaloo. And then there is a nice salad bar. We met Naveed bhai. Naveed bhai is an amazing person. He helped us so much. So Naveed bhai, आप कुछ बोलिए।
बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों का इधर आने पे, और बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है यहाँ पे। कोई भी आते हैं तो वो अप्रिशिएट करते हैं हम लोगों को भी, जगह को भी लोगों को बहुत पसंद आता है। ऑल ओवर द यूएई डिफरेंट है बाहर, मगर इधर थोड़ी सी जगह हमने बना के रखा है अच्छा सा हमारे होटल में। बहुत अच्छा वो
और यहाँ पे
किया हुआ
स्विमिंग
है,
पूल भी है, वी हैव अ
वगैरह
स्विमिंग पूल
सारा।
देयर राइट।
और ये जो स्विमिंग पूल है हमारा, पूरा यूएई में सबसे बड़ा स्विमिंग पूल हमारा इधर ही है।
वाओ
इसी में।
वाओ। और ऊपर क्या है वो
ऊपर ये
दूसरा?
हमारे बार्स वगैरह हैं।
ओके, द बार्स आर
पफ
देयर।
बार्स हैं, इंग्लिश पफ बार देयर हैं, और कैक्टस जैक, मैक्सिकन स्टाइल, D70 बहुत सारे बार्स हैं हमारे।
Okay.
तो आप उधर जा सकते हो।
और ये
किसी भी
रेस्टोरेंट का
time
कुछ अलग सा नाम देखा
ये
मैंने।
हमारा स्विफ्ट रेस्टोरेंट होता है,
Swift.
जो ये सिर्फ एमरेट्स के पैसेंजर्स को डील करता है।
ओके
दूसरे लोग भी आ सकते हैं, कोई भी आ सकता है, ऐसा नहीं है।
Great.
मगर ज़्यादातर वो लोग आके इधर ट्रांजिट पैसेंजर यहाँ पे आते हैं।
But for now, we are signing off from our quick Dubai layover, which we utilized through this Dubai Connect. Nice experience, and also we had the amazing Dubai desert evening safari experience. So we are dune bashing now, right?
Tourism Premium Camp.
Which will be a separate video, but for now we are checking out from the beautiful Copthorne Hotel. That is the one we got through our economy class Dubai ticket, Emirates ticket. So all in all, great experience.
Till we meet again.
Bye.